Hello again, guys. So again, you're going to be seeing quite a lot of content uploaded in rather quick succession because I have. Oh, I knew it.
Harry, comment. Pollen particles disappear in the tall grass. It's probably the end of the trail.
Oh, wait, whoa, hold on. Oh, please let there be no train.
Harry, comment. Traces of blood on the railroad track. Analysis confirms it comes from the victim.
Oh, okay. There's footprints. Oh, please tell me you're not gonna mess this up with your footprints.
Footprints continue just after the pollen trail. There's a good chance that they're the killers.
Alright, I'm gonna follow them, I guess. Where am I? Oh, shit. Oh, wait, no. Hold on. I see you, you clever little bitch. Where are you going? Where are you going? Oh, I think I lost it. Oh, no, I think I lost it. Right, these footprints go over here. Do they start in the tall grass? Or do they end in here? No, no, it's walking away. Okay. I keep trying to move the camera angle and I can't. Oh, get the fuck off the train track! Why are we? Can I walk up this thing? No? Fuck. I'll have to go the long way around, I guess. Yeah, they could be the killers. That means he walked somewhere. God damn it. Alright, hold on. Alright, yeah, picking it up here. He came from this way. So what did I hit? God damn it! Alright, I found a clue. There's something like later down this way. There might be something down this way. I'm gonna go check. I already told him I was leaving. It's not like he's gonna. Alright. So I am gonna leave. Because I've spent 3 minutes just chilling. So, well, not chilling, but I'm just walking around. There's nothing. Okay. But I've looked around. If you guys, I know the comment section below is probably be like, but Ghostly, you missed something. Yeah, well, I tried. Oh god. Okay, the different color changes is pissing me the fuck off. Oh, not going back. Come on, Jaden? Oh, it's okay, Jaden. Whoop. Alright. There we go. But, oh, it picks up now. But, we finally hit the too much load. Oh, fuck it. No, don't lock the car. But, yeah, so, this happened. Alright, what do I do? Whoop. Start that car. I've never seen me drive in this game. Look at this rumbling, very nicely in my country. But, yeah, like I said, guys, I started a couple new games. Not going to show them on here. Practicing. It's probably so slightly. But, we'll see us play different games. I'm pretty sure we're going to see one of us play the infamous series. Ethan. Okay, I definitely know that's Ethan. Actually, it kind of does look like a bat.
A bat.
A wolf.
A wolf's head.
Crab.
A crab.
Death. That is the Grim
Death.
Reaper. That's a sickle right there. I don't know what you guys are seeing. You might want to put it in the
Death.
comment section down below. That'd be helpful. Because I'm not quite sure. Oh, there's terror. That's terror. Anxiety. Fear, anxiety. What else? What you got for me? Ethan, you seeing somebody, man?
I have the results of your MRI scans. Everything seems to be normal. There is no physical damage from the accident. However, I am worried about your psychological condition. I know it's not easy, but you've got to start over, Ethan. You're not responsible for what happened.
Yeah, you heard me. Take a drink.
It's my fault Jason is dead. He'd still be alive if I'd been looking out for him.
It was an accident.
And
Accidents
sadness.
happen
There
every
it is.
day. You can't blame yourself forever for your son's death.
Oh no, don't blame him. Blame me. I suck.
How is Sean?
Affection. He's distant. He's distant as
He's a
fuck.
very solitary kid, you know, very focused within himself. He's really close to his mother.
Please don't become like
It
Norman
means more
Bates.
distant.
Please.
And what about you, Ethan? What do you feel?
Right now? Dead. I feel dead.
I stopped living at the same time Jason did. And that car ran into us.
Is there something else you
I'm
want
really
to
thinking
tell me,
long and
Ethan?
hard about this. Yeah, I keep waking up in the rain with origami figures in my hand. Blackouts, blackouts.
I sometimes have these blackouts. Times when I don't know what I'm doing.
That's terrifying to
I
me.
recover consciousness sometime
We were
later.
standing in the rain and we had an origami figure in our hand, and these children
Something's
are all
up.
being found with origami figures in their hand.
And
They're the same
I have
age
no idea how I got
as
there.
Jason was. I'm kind of freaking out that I'm a
Do you
serial
think
killer,
this could be
which
related to
in
the
itself
You suffered a massive concussion
Is-
and were in a coma for
is-
6 months.
kind of.
We really don't
Oh.
know what effect a shock like that can have on the brain.
It's different because I might be playing the villain of this
That's
and
the
I
end of
don't
this
know it
session.
myself.
We'll continue this conversation.
God damn it, man! But it
You were
feels
lucky, Ethan.
so
It's very rare
weird
to survive such a traumatic accident.
to
I don't
to
exactly
that
feel
I'm now
like that's
thinking about these because these kids are 10. These boys, they look 10. Drowning. It would leave no mark. The way I don't even think Jason was bleeding. Oh my god. Oh my god, I might be a killer. Hungry? Are we hungry?
Do you want to eat something?
My sweet child. Let's play.
Aren't you gonna go play with the other kids?
I don't feel like it.
School?
How did things go at school today?
Oh
The
god, I suck
teacher
as a
yelled at
parent.
me for being late again. She's gonna send me home the next time it happens.
I'm sorry about that, Sean. Next time, we'll really pull it together, okay?
Are they waiting for Mom?
Is something the matter, Sean?
No, I'm alright.
I think Sean was like 2 years younger, so I think he's 10 right now. So I'm not quite my lovely tiny child.
A boomerang? You know how to use it?
No, not really.
Oh god, alright
Come
guys,
back.
prepare to see me
Can I give it a
fail
try?
with some skill and some flair, alright? Oh Jesus. I'm gonna die. Alright, or 1 or 2. Whew. Yeah! Alright, I didn't fail. Oh god, gotta catch it. Oh, X! Oh, shit, let's try that again.
Gotta be able to improve my catch.
Alright. Hup, hup, whoop. Whoop, whoop. Whew! Alright, X. I got this shit. X. Yeah! That's a satisfying rumble. Oh, you like that, huh? Alright. Let's go, man. Okay. Oh, cool. I'm gonna do this again. Whew! Alright, it's X. It's X. Come on, baby. Come back to me. Yeah!
You did it, Dad.
Do you want to give it a try?
I won't be able to do it.
Oh, come on, let's try together.
You can do
Now,
it, baby.
the main thing is
Practice.
get the right position at the beginning. And
Look
don't
at
throw
my
it straight
shot.
and a little to the right.
Okay, up. Alright. R1. Oh, fixing his stance. Alright.
Now, throw it.
Go on, baby. Oh, where you go? Oh. Yeah!
I did it, Dad.
Okay, as long as I don't have a bedtime for him this
That
time, I
wasn't so
think I'm
hard.
gonna be pretty cool. Because I'm actually gonna watch the clock the next time if I have a bedtime for him. But oh my, because he got upset last time. Oh my god, but he did so well. Yay! Oh god. I got too excited. I'm getting too. Oh, that's awesome. Wait, no, don't go. No, child of mine. Oh, I love you. Wait, hold. No, I'm not leaving my child here. Oh, okay, so I have nothing to talk to him about. Child, can we do things? Can we do things, child? Alright, okay, so I guess I'm walking off by myself, leaving my child alone. Which, in hindsight, could compare to what happened to Jason. Shit happens. Oh. Oh, wait, no, don't start creeping. Alright, I swear to God, if I turn around and he's gone, I'm gonna cry. I've lost another child. I've lost another baby. Wait. Alright, so I thought I was going to buy some carnival tickets. Because it's not carnival. There isn't. I think it's totally like, it's kind of like New York in a sense. Okay, I'm sorry. I keep running into you. Alright, Ethan. Come on, baby. Can we talk? God, this... I can't do shit with my child. What am I doing right now? Oh, dear child of mine. What am I doing? Have I... Oh, Seesaw!
I haven't been on a seesaw in a long time.
Neither have I. I haven't been on one since I've been very young. I used to play on it a lot with my sisters. It's one of the few things that we used to play on a lot when we were playing hide and seek or random games we would make up when we were younger. Oh my god.
Come on, Dad. Make
This-
me fly.
Down. Oh. Woof. Aw. Huh. Oh, I just realized. Oh shit. Okay, so guys, I'm going to end it here with me just doing this, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.